So anyway, the memories I have is, I think, singing in school and preaching, and then having meetings uko nyuma in school and praying for people to get healed, and people get spirit filled, just by us praying with them in primary school. I think that's what I remember. And then singing the assemblies. Yeah, I was kind of a good girl, so I don't have bad memories.
Really? Okay. Now there is this notion that most pastors keep PKs. Normally, first of all, even when they come back maybe to God and all that, they first of all rebel. Sometimes because of the kind of lifestyles that they see around them. Is this true, and was this for you the case?
For me, no. I think my parents modeled a good Jesus. They tried to balance, the ministry and then I loved ministry. There's a way I loved being out there to sing. So I never rebelled as such, and even if I did, it was very little.
I'd probably get a different story from your parents.
They would give you the same story.
Okay.
They would give you the same. Thank God they are not watching me. I didn't call them anyway. So I was a good girl throughout. I didn't rebel. So it's by the grace of God. I can't say I was good. Yeah, but my dad beat me up. There was a time I was like, why do you keep beating me up more than the others? He said, him who loveth, he's chastiseth. I don't know. That's
the scripture for that.
Yes, so he was a bit strict with me.
And are you the last born?
I'm the second born.
Second born.
Out of 4.
Out of 4. Okay, brothers, sisters?
3 girls, 1 boy.
Okay.
The last
and who's the first one? A boy?
A girl. The boy is the last.
Okay.
He sings.
Oh, wow.
Dio.
Okay.
We're doing a collabo.
Oh, nice. Is that coming out soon?
Yeah, this year.
All right, fantastic.